It's my pride.
It's a superb outcome of speedy innovation and power of execution.
It's reliable because it was globally acknowledged.
Since opening its doors in 1985, Hyundai Construction Equipment has had the single most important driving force: innovation. This passion for innovation greatly impacted the construction equipment and material handling in Korea and the world. Hyundai Construction Equipment is a global brand, one with state-of-the-art equipment that has been awarded many prestigious designations, most recently the Red Dot Design Award. It is becoming a solid global top 5 through its global network of local sales and production.
It's my hand. It's not only sophisticated, but also considers users' convenience.
It is outstanding, both in terms of fuel efficiency and performance.
Our next generation HX Excavator series has received international acclaim for its highly efficient and eco-friendly performance in the roughest of terrains. Hyundai wheel loaders boast an excellent driving experience and work performance, thanks to the combination of our cutting-edge technology and enhanced user convenience. Hyundai forklifts are setting the industry standard by providing increased productivity, next-level safety features, and utmost durability in logistics centers around the world. Moreover, we are continuously expanding our product lineup, including backhoe loaders, skid loaders, road rollers, and emerging as a comprehensive construction equipment manufacturer.
It's my passion. It's our dedication and our drive to overcome new challenges.
바로 이 기계의 울림에서 시작됩니다.
All of our products begin at the Hyundai R&D Center. There, the brightest and boldest minds come together in order to bring the Hyundai customer the most innovative product. The reliability of all our new products is tested via a barrage of stringent tests, all taking place at the Hyundai Reliability Assessment Center. We protect the value of the products that our customers want through prompt and accurate distribution and after-service anywhere in the world. Hyundai's Technology Training Center aims to improve the technical knowledge and capabilities of our service employees by providing both classroom and on-site instruction.
It's my future.
For users' convenience.
We continue to combine innovative technology.
It's the future that we draw.
We are currently striving to develop future construction equipment that our customers require.
It's my pride. My hand.
My passion. My future. Yes,
It's Hyundai.
Hyundai Construction Equipment.